Hi everyone, Donut here. Sorry I haven't been posting much content lately. Things have been crazy and I've just haven't really wanted to look at people getting shot the past week. It's been kind of, depressing in itself. But now, check this out. History was just made. Well, the incident happened last month, but some of the body camera footage was released recently by the company who makes gun cameras. That's right. The first police shooting ever captured on a gun camera just happened. It's historical, especially for this channel if more departments buy these gun cameras because it gives an awesome freaking view. There's no arms obstructing, there's nothing. It's just perfect 1080p footage of what the gun is looking at. And it's freaking crazy, man. This company called Veridian Weapon Tech came out with this thing, and I'm not sponsored by them. I just think it's a really rad little device. On April 27, 2019, Corporal TJ Session with the Vernon Police Department was looking around for this dirtbag named Walter. This is Walter. Walter had some warrants out for his arrest for continuously touching a 9-year-old from 2013 to 2014. Yep, Walter's just a giant piece of shit, and Corporal TJ Sessions actually found him.
How you doing? What's your name?
Mark.
Walter?
Mark.
Your name is not Walter?
Why?
Because that's your name?
Corporal Session knew exactly who Walter was right when he walked up to the car. Little did he know, though, Walter had a sawed-off shotgun sitting in the seat right next to him. The whole incident only takes about 15 seconds, so let's go through the body cam footage and the gun cam footage at full speed so you can kind of get an idea of what we're going to break down.
But why though?
Okay, step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
How crazy is that? Basically what had happened was the guy didn't want to get out of the car. Officer Session knew exactly who he was. He tried to pull him out of the car. That's when the guy swung the shotgun around. It happened so quick, you can barely see what happens. Let's slow it down. As soon as Corporal Session sees the gun, he draws his own gun, which turns the camera on. That's when we get this crazy view of the dude pointing a shotgun right at him. Sessions backpedals some, tries to create some distance while firing his weapon. Walter fires off the shotgun though, hitting Session and knocking him over. Corporal Session, being the badass he is, was not out of the fight. He continued to shoot, stood up, shot some more, and retreated. He even reloaded his magazine and continued putting rounds on target. According to news website The Vernon Record, this piece of shit ended up soaking up 8 shots from Officer Session. When he swung the shotgun around and shot Officer Session with it, though, he hit him in the shoulder. It was a 20 gauge shotgun, and I'm guessing it was birdshot because he got hit with 41 pellets in his shoulder. According to reports, 36 of those pellets are still in his shoulder. Walter, the piece of shit in this video, ended up making a full recovery, and he's having to serve a minimum of 20 years for the shooting. And this isn't even on top of the charges related to touching the 9-year-old. Hopefully he's going to be in prison for the rest of his life. How freaking crazy though was that, man? Gun camera footage. Veridian Weapons Tech, that is rad stuff. If you ever want to work together, let me know. I am going to be streaming at twitch.tv/DonutOperator as soon as this video is released, so come hang out. We'll even talk about some police stuff. I'm going to be focusing heavily on the main channel this week. Yes, this channel. I've got a crime talkie talk coming up this week. I've got some classic police footage videos coming up this week. Yes, I know I said we were going to play bingo. I'm sorry that that didn't happen this week. I've been having a lot of fun doing cooking streams again. Other than that, everybody please have a fantastic day.